We're in the Painted Tree community in McKinney, Texas. This is the Spring Cress 2 floor plan by Bloomfield Homes that's available for purchase. Over here is the 2-car garage. And on the opposite side of the entrance is your mini garage. Carriage lights on either side. Nice curvature over your covered front porch. Let's take a look inside. As we enter, the focus comes out to the main living space. Natural light pouring in through your windows. There's also windows above, adding in more light. Over here, you can see they're finishing up the fireplace with the modern design mantle with the tile all the way up to the ceiling. This has the open floor design into the kitchen with your balcony looking into the main living space. The countertop has the lip for your knees as you're sitting on the stools. And around the side, you have your trash pullout on the right side of your farmhouse sink. With the dishwasher on the left. Opposite of that, you have your 5-burner Frigidaire gallery stove with an updraft above. Plenty of storage. Your microwave and oven with a walk-in pantry under the stairs. With shelving wrapping all the way around. Next to the microwave and oven is your coffee station, next to your fridge. Continuing down the hall, you have the primary suite with the raised ceiling design, windows on 2 walls with a sitting space to read your books with natural light, which flows into the primary bathroom with double doors. Tile around the tub, nice and deep. Frosted window to keep privacy but bring in natural light. With a step-in shower. With a bench, tile all the way up to the ceiling. Which flows into the primary walk-in closet. Toilet room next to it with dual sinks. Let's continue down the hall. Right here is a full hall bath with tile all the way up to the ceiling. Into the bedroom with double doors into the closet. At the end of the hall is your laundry room with a mud space, tile along the floor, as well as a closet for your brooms, vacuum cleaner, etc. Which flows into your 2-car garage with your tankless water heater. Let's go back inside. Right off of the entry are your double doors into your study with a view out to the front yard. Opposite of the study is your mini garage. Let's head upstairs. Your stairs are carpeted with a wood railing. Your upstairs banisters have the ironwork design with wood. Directly up the stairs is your hall full bath. Over here You have your game room with your balcony overlooking the main living space. Back here, you have the open floor design into your media room. Wires pre-installed. Let's continue down the hall. The first upstairs bedroom. Curvature to the ceiling, window out to the front yard, and a walk-in closet. Down the hall, you have the next bedroom. The curvature to the ceiling, walk-in closet, next down the hall is a full hall bath, tile, window for the shower, dual sinks, linen closet at the end of the hall, with the next bedroom. Curvature to the sides, triple windows, and over here is the walk-in closet. Right off of the kitchen is your dining space with windows and a sitting space to read your books with natural light. Right out here is your covered patio space. If this home and community interests you, reach out and let's make your dream home a reality.